take on the sort of the MDC credibility, stability organization. We were impressed fundamentally by the fact that the MDC that was so badly fractured 5 years ago, Move in one corner and Timbat Viti in another, and Morgan Tsvangirai in a third, they were sitting together now and seemed to have shared views about the way forward. I have not read, I'll be honest, I have not read, what is it, 106 pages of their manifesto. It's just sort of beyond me to consume all at once. But they do seem to have real plans. Several times we've talked about that they're financially bankrupt, but not intellectually bankrupt. There's no question that in February, when you were there, it was a really ugly scene, and the fighting within the party, the way Thokozani Kupe was treated, I think was shameful, and should never have occurred that way. But at this point, my sense at least, is that the party has decided that their best bet is to coalesce behind Nelson Chamisa. I have known Nelson Chamisa since 1999, and I know him to be an extraordinarily ambitious, intelligent, energetic human being who is sometimes given to speaking off the cuff or shooting from the hip. He knows that about himself. And so I think that if you're looking at sort of the overall health of the party, it's stronger now than it was in February. And for BT and Mube to be sitting side by side with Welshman, I think provides some direction, some strategic input, and will help minimize whatever shortcomings